Hi friends, this is Sarah from Crafting and Relaxing. Welcome. I'm happy to have you here with me today, whether you've been with me since the beginning or you're brand new. Today I had the lucky fortune of my friend asked me to get her mail for her, and I said yes. And then I said, what is it? Is it something I should steal? And she said, it's the Hero Arts monthly kit. Oh, okay. Well, we're going to look in the box. We have permission. We're not doing anything wrong. If you asked me to get your mail for you, I wouldn't open it without asking you. But I just wanted to show you what's in the box. Then we'll put it back together and it'll be waiting for her. Okay, so right here on top, she ordered a couple extra items. Typically, if you're not familiar with kits, many companies have them. You can get them for craft kits or scrapbooking kits or card making or just all around fun. And usually if you're ordering a kit, you can do add-ons because they're sending you a box anyway. So there might be extra items for the month, or it's just a way to save on shipping. So look at this. She's got two gorgeous, gorgeous stamps here. One thing about the rubber stamps is that they sometimes give a better pattern. That's why some people like them. I don't know if that's true, but I think a giant background stamp made out of rubber is going to give you a great image. So this one is called Ocean Waves, and this one is called Bubbles. Both of these will be great for summer, won't they? So those are super fun. Then she's got Sparkling Sea Embossing Powder. I don't know what this looks like when it's done. Maybe it's a little bit glittery. And then they just have a little thank you card for your order. And look at this, wrapped in blue. It's like they knew I was going to open it. So I'll just set this box aside. This is just to protect the kit itself. And I cut this box open, so everything that you see in here is what would be in a normal kit. So you might see other unboxings, and you might see people making cards with these supplies. Oh, look at these, you guys. Okay, I'm going to take this ribbon off. And look at these stamps. So it says, with waves of appreciation, just keep swimming. Happy birthday, fishes. You are a fantastic friend. I would swim the 7 seas to find you. Oh, that's just sweet. Of all the fish in the sea, I choose you. Then there's fish and coral and jellyfish and bubbles and all sorts of different prints. That's a lot of stamps. Oh my gosh. I was going to say that's a lot of stamps. Look at all the dies, you guys. So it looks like there's a die for all of those. Then there's some sort of border die. Yeah, that's a lot. Now, I'm not going to open this up and take it apart because I'm just going to leave it for her to play with. I'm trying to read the thing. Contents, 6x8 clear set coordinating dies. Something else, too. Oh, I think there's oh, I see. Then the contents right there, we're listing these items also that are in the kit. So to make these amazing underwater scenes, you have these little droplets. They're sheer all the way through, so you could use them in mixed media too, and you wouldn't have metal backing on them. In greens and blues. Those are lovely. Let's make sure you get it real nice. See, those are cute. And the Hero Arts, you've got reactive sea salt, and then reactive blue water, and reactive sea glass. So I don't know if sea salt is the color. It might just be. They call their inks reactive, usually. I love these. These are great colors. But how cute is this? So if you don't have a lot of supplies, or you have trouble getting inspired, doing a monthly kit might be a fun idea for you. I have no shortage of supplies, and I always have ideas. So I haven't signed up for kits in a long, long time. But kits are super, super fun. I'm never, ever going to get this on here as cute as they have it. So she'll just have to forgive me. The other thing, too, is, of course, you have this ribbon to make cards with, right? Just pretend that's how we wanted it, okay, you guys? Because it's hard to tie a bow and talk. So they have the ribbon, the stamps, the inks, very fun. And I love those little jewels, those little embellishments that they put in here. Those might be my favorite part of the kit. And of course the colors. Thank you guys so much for watching. Hope you're having a great day. Bye-bye.